Creating a CV. Follow the instructions. Click the right mouse button. Click New and select Microsoft Word document. Give a file name. Open the file. Click Page Layout. Page size A4. Orientation Portrait. The margin is normal. Press Ctrl plus Enter to get a new page. Click on the Page Setup dialog box. Orientation Landscape. Apply this point forward, and click OK. Margin wide. Follow the instructions. Click on the column and select the left column. Apply to this section, then OK. Follow the instructions. Go to Insert. Click Picture and select Picture. Then click Insert. Select the image and go to Warp Text. Select Through. Click on the Size dialog box. Remove the tick mark. Then OK. Height 2 inches and width 2 inches. Click Picture Border, then Weight. Select 1 pt. Select Font Name times New Roman. Then write text. Control, Shift, Enter to move to the next column. Then write text. Select Text. Remove space, and select line spacing 1.15. Select Title, font size 34. Select Subtitle, font size 20. Select All Heading, font size 14. Select Other Text, font size 10. Go to Insert. Click Shapes. Select Rounded Rectangle. Ctrl+P. Show the print preview. Save this document. Ctrl+S.